षष्ठः पाठः भ्रान्तो बालः. In this lesson we are going to learn about the value of hard work and regular studies. So laziness is always makes us to feel low before others, and hardworking people won't be in the company of lazies. Here also in a story, a boy who was very lazy to go to school and learn prefers to roam in or around the park and play, but he didn't get anyone as a partner to play. Without getting any friends, he tries to get the friendship of animals and birds also, but even animals and birds refuse to leave their work and come to play along with him. In this case, he understands the reality and importance of hard work, and correcting his mistakes, he start to learn properly. So children, here let us learn the story where we understand the value of hard work. प्रस्तुतः अयं पाठः संस्कृतप्रौढपाठावलिः इति कथाग्रन्थात् सम्पादनं कृत्वा सङ्गृहीतः अस्ति. प्रस्तुतः अयं पाठः संस्कृतप्रौढपाठावलिः इति कथाग्रन्थात् सम्पादनं कृत्वा सङ्गृहीतः अस्ति. So in this lesson is taken from the collection of story book called Samskrita Praudha Pathavalihi. Samskrita Praudha Pathavalihi is one book where there is many moral stories are there. So from there this lesson also chosen. Lesson is taken from the book Samskrita Praudha Pathavali. Word meanings: Prastutoyam, this, Pataha, lesson, Katha Granthat, from a story book, Sangrihitaha, taken. Asyam Kathayam Ekaha Tadrishaha Balaha Chitritosti Yasya Ruchihi Swadhyayapekshaya Kridane Adhika Bhavati. Asyam Kathayam Ekaha Tadrishaha बालः चित्रितः अस्ति यस्य रुचिः स्वाध्याय अपेक्षया क्रीडने अधिका भवति. So in this story they explain about a boy who was not interested in his studies, and he was only interested in playing. Here is a story of a boy who was not interested in his studies and concentrating only in playing is explained. Asyam, in this, Kathayam story, Ekaha, one, Tadrishaha Balaha, such boy, Chitritosti, explained, Yasya, whose, Ruchihi, interest, Swadhyaya Pekshaya, other than studies, Kridane, in playing, Adhika, more. Saha sarvada क्रीडनार्थमेव अभिलषति परञ्च तस्य सखायः स्वस्वकर्मणि संलग्नाः भवन्ति. Sah sarvada, always he was क्रीडनार्थमेव अभिलषति, wants to play here and there, but parancha, but tasya sakhayah, his friends, स्वस्वकर्मणि संलग्नाः भवन्ति, all his friends gets engaged in their own work. He always wishes to play, but his friends got engaged in their work. Saha, he, sarvada, always, kridanarthameva, for playing, abhilashati, wishes, parancha, but, tasya sakhayah, his friends, swasva, own, karmani, in works, samlagnaha, engaged. अस्मात् कारणात् ते अनेन सह न क्रीडन्ति। अतः सः एकाकी भूत्वा नैराश्यं प्राप्य विचिन्तयति यत् सः एव रिक्तः सन् इतस्ततः भ्रमति। अस्मात् कारणात् ते अनेन सह न क्रीडन्ति। अतः सः एकाकी भूत्वा नैराश्यं प्राप्य विचिन्तयति यत् सः एव रिक्तः सन् इतस्ततः भ्रमति। Therefore, none of his friends, अस्मात् कारणात् ते अनेन सह न क्रीडन्ति. None of his friends were ready to play with that boy. अतः सः एकाकी भूत्वा, therefore he became alone. Ekaki means alone. Nairashyam prapya, feels very disappointed and vichintayati, thinks that saha eva riktaha san itastataha bhramati. He alone roams here and there without any work, and all others are busy in their work. Therefore, the friends were not ready to play with him. So he was alone and started roaming here and there without anyone. Asmat karanat, due to this reason, they anena saha, with him, ataha, therefore, saha, he, ekaki bhutva, being alone, nairashyam prapya, being disappointed, vichintayati, thinks, yat, that, riktaha, sad, itastataha, here and there, भ्रमति, roams. कालांतरे बोधो भवति यत् सर्वेपि स्वस्वकार्यं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति। अतो मयापि तदेव कर्तव्यं येन मम कालः सार्थकः स्यात्। कालांतरे बोधः भवति यत् सर्वे अपि स्वस्वकार्यं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति। अतः मया अपि तदेव कर्तव्यं येन मम कालः सार्थकः स्यात्. So at the end he realizes that everyone are busy in doing their work. All are doing their own work, and I am alone here to waste my time without doing any work. Therefore I also, mama kalaha sartakaha syat, my time also must be used wisely. Like that he realizes his mistake and gets ready to work. At the end he realizes that everyone are doing their own work properly, so I should use my time wisely. Kalantare, afterwards, bodho bhavati, realize, yat, that, sarvepi, all, swaswakaryam, own work, kurvantaha, doing, ataha, so, mama kalaha, my time, sarthakaha, useful. So today we learnt the introduction of the lesson. Let us start with the lesson tomorrow.